In this video, you'll learn how to combine shipping for multiple items on eBay. By following these steps, you will be able to enable combined shipping, set up appropriate shipping rules, and send a combined invoice to buyers, enhancing their purchasing experience. Start by logging into your eBay seller account. Once you're on the main page, navigate to the seller hub dashboard. Look for the account settings area, which is usually located in the navigation menu. Click on shipping preferences to access the relevant shipping settings. Within this section, find the option for combined shipping and enable it. Activating this feature allows buyers to purchase multiple items while benefiting from a single reduced shipping cost. Next, you need to set up shipping rules for multiple items. After enabling combined shipping, locate the section where you can configure how shipping costs will be calculated. Decide whether you want to offer a discount for each additional item purchased. You can establish a fixed extra shipping cost for each additional item. Ensure that these rules apply to listings that share similar shipping methods. Take the time to carefully review these settings before saving them, as proper configuration is crucial for ensuring accurate shipping charges. Once you have set up your combined shipping rules, you can manage orders as they come in. When a buyer purchases multiple items from your listings, navigate to the orders section of your seller hub. Select the relevant orders that need to be combined. Look for the option that allows you to combine them into one shipment, which may be labeled as combine orders or something similar. After selecting this option, the invoice generated will reflect a single shipping charge based on the rules you previously established. After creating the combined invoice, it is essential to send it to the buyer. The invoice will show a single shipping cost, simplifying the checkout process for the buyer. This not only streamlines the transaction, but also enhances the overall buying experience on your eBay store. Make sure to confirm that the invoice has been sent and check for any responses from the buyer regarding payment. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.